In this video, I will explain you about the chain tensioner. This equipment is the chain tensioner of Discover 125 BS4 model. It has 10 mm bolt fixed to it. Now I will show you the spare part for clear explanation. Meanwhile, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This is the old chain tensioner of the same bike with the key to turn it. In this, I will show you what we can do to reduce the noise of the bike. The tensioner, you can see the screw which is given to turn it using this key. And turn it in clockwise direction to retract. Your bike is making rattling noise, or you can try this method to reduce the noise. It's completely retracted. Release it so that it put the required pressure on the cam chain inside the engine. This video, subscribe and make this a successful video. To remove only middle bolt, not the side bolts to do it.